Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I will tell you that how you can invite your friends if it is not working on Monopoly Go. First of all, you will have to go to the Monopoly Go app. Please do not skip the video and watch it till the end so you don't miss out any information. Guys, the process is very easy. Just follow me step by step. You can see there's this option of friends on the bottom right corner of my screen. I will click it. After I click it, you can see there's this option of invite. I will click this option on invite, and you can see now I have two options. One, if I invite my Facebook friends, and other is this orange button to copy a link for my friends. If I click the orange button, it will help me to regenerate a new link that I can send to my friends on WhatsApp, Messenger or any other platform. If it still does not work and the link does not open, just try offloading your app or uninstalling your app and then reinstalling it, and it will start working again. I hope you liked my video and understood the process. If you did, please don't forget to subscribe and like my channel. Thank you very much. See you again.